Hello everybody, I hope we are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of autoplay. On the application of Hacoo, you will click on settings. In this page you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about the application of Hacoo and you will click. Then we go to first stop and you will click, you will click on Hacoo, then you can click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. Then you will turn off your Wi-Fi. And you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us.